Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So many of you might have realized we haven't uploaded a video in a long time, but today we're back with the BMW 1 Series F20, and from the start of the video you might have realized what we're going to be doing on this car, and yes, we're going to be changing the headlights. So as you can see, currently the customer has halogen headlights on this BMW 1 Series, and many of you have been asking about this on our Instagram channel, and yes, we finally come with a solution for these headlights, since not many people offer these services to change halogen headlights on a BMW 1 Series, and many of you have been asking on a 2 Series as well, which we'll be working on pretty soon. But for the time being, anything between 2013 to 2018, I believe, with halogen headlights, do get in contact and we can get this sorted out for you. As I do know the original headlights, they come to 2K or so to get them fitted and changed, but this will work out cheaper for you. So if you did want to get this done, please do get in contact with us via email or our Instagram channel or our website at www.alphacustoms.co.uk. and if you did want to go and try installing these headlights by yourself, we do have the headlights on its own on our website, so click on the link below in our description and you get a link straight to our website. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew. On this channel we talk about things and do things to our customers' cars, such as these, or our project cars, which is a F33 4 Series and 7 Series E38. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment onto our channel and be part of this Alpha Customs journey. And many of you have been saying, do you just work on BMWs? No, we don't just work on BMWs. We work on many cars, but most of our customers are BMW based. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to subscribe. And what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. If you're doing this by yourself and it's your first time, try and disconnect the battery before you do it. So we're going to turn off the lights and we're going to start disassembling the bumper first, and then we'll get access to the headlights. So let's start off with that. At the top there's Torx bolts under this rubber seal, so you want to remove the rubber seal and you'll get a bunch of Torx bolts. I believe they are T30 or T20, so just keep T20 and T30 bolts with you, and then there are 8mm or 10mm bolts on the wheel arch which you want to remove as well. And underneath the bumper, since this car has a splitter, I don't know how they've installed the splitter, but hopefully it's not too difficult to remove, and then we should be able to take out this headlight. If you don't have this electric tool, I would recommend getting one, as it makes the job much easier. Let's get straight to business. Close-up of all the bolts you need to remove. As you can see, the Torx bolts are all here, so these are all the T30 bolts that you want to remove. Once you remove them, if you get to the back and you see the wheel arch, there are bolts here. If my camera wants to show that, there's bolts there. It's a bit blurry, sorry guys, but there's bolts there, and at the bottom. You want to remove them, and as you can see, there's more Torx bolts here that are holding the headlight in, so they need to be removed as well after. I believe there's one there and one behind, so they hold the headlight into place. So you want to remove all of them, and then there's bolts right at the bottom of the bumper which you can just go under and check for yourselves, but they're right underneath. So that's it, and then the bumper should be coming off. If you have sensors on the car at the front, then you want to make sure you remove the sensor wiring at the front, but this car doesn't have sensors at the front. However, it has fog lights, so you need to remove the fog light wiring and the headlight wiring before removing any of this. So if this is your first time, I would recommend getting someone professional to do it. So we have removed the bumper, and we don't need to remove the whole bumper. You don't need to remove the bottom bit. The reason why I didn't remove everything is because the splitter is there, and if I remove the bolts underneath, then the splitter is going to get loose. So I've left it like that and just placed it on the floor, which gives me more than enough access to the headlights. So once you remove the bumper, there's 3 bolts, 1 here, 2 behind the headlight, which are hard to get to. You want to remove them, they're all T30 bolts, and then the headlight should come out. Finally, one headlight is out. We're going to test the headlights before putting it on. So we're going to test it now, and hopefully everything works. Damn boy, that's a huge difference. So let's put those headlights on. Let me show you guys the difference between the two. So here is the difference between the two headlights. You can see there's a massive difference between the two headlights, and it makes the car look much newer with these headlights compared to this one. So just looks amazing. Wow, what a big difference between the old headlights and this. I'm amazed myself, because this is the first time I'm installing these headlights on a BMW 1 Series F20. You guys may have seen we've done this on an E87, and the link is above if you want to go watch that video. However, these headlights look much more powerful and much brighter than the ones that we do on the E87. If you look behind the camera, you can just see the light shining really far, which we don't get with the E87, but these ones we do. The reason why is because everything is built in. There is no actual bulbs for it. Everything is built in the actual headlight. So all you have to do is go do the wiring and then put the headlight in. The modules and stuff, we already get them coded before it comes to us, so it's all done, and you can just go and wire it down and it should work. So as I mentioned before, if you did want to get these headlights, click on the link in the description and you can purchase these headlights on our website. So it looks like the customers are here. They're just getting off their Uber and they're coming through, so we're going to catch the live reaction. And I'm only going to turn on the lights once he's in frame. So let's see how he's going to react to his new headlights. Here is the man himself, and he's just making his way. So he's going to be surprised with some new headlights. Here is the car, man.
Wow. Looks great.
Yeah. Come forward and then show you how it looks. This is his first reaction. I'm going to let you decide for yourself how it looks, but it transforms the whole car. So yeah, what's your first thoughts?
Oh, it looks amazing because when I bought this car,
Yeah.
it looked like, you know, the ordinary one.
Old car, yeah?
Yeah. So it's entirely different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything to our viewers? Or do you want
If
to...
if you need any modification or anything, you can just contact him because he is very helpful, because we have a problem with the
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah.
And he sorted out and it's all done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like his work. Everything okay. I'm very happy.
Yeah, that's good. It's good to hear. So we got a happy customer here all the way from Somerset, and this car has officially been alphamized. So till next time, peace.